Well, today we need to do some vacuuming. So why not we use the shop vac? We're going to do a little bit of vacuuming in here, and then we're going to do some vacuuming out in the kitchen. I have it plugged in right over there. Oh, by the way, these are my new Halloween lights I got a few days ago. Tell me in the comments how you like them. But yeah, we're going to start now. Let's get going. Here we go. Now we're out in the kitchen. It's a little dirtier out here, so now with the shop vac, when you're sucking stuff up, because it has the bigger 2.5-inch hose, you can actually hear it when it sucks stuff up. You can feel it too. That's kind of cool. Let's do over here now. Yeah, definitely sucking stuff up. I can hear it. Like I told you can hear it when it sucks stuff up. You can feel it going through the hose. That's exactly what I'm noticing as I suck stuff up here. table. Look at that. Much cleaner in here now. So, hopefully you enjoyed that. I know it's not the best video, but hopefully you still liked it. Let me show you what it picked up. Hopefully it's not too hard to see. Look at all that gunk inside there. See? There's some hair on the bottom there. It's all over the filter. Look at all that. So that is what we just picked up, folks. Oh, even right over there, too. That'll go right in the garbage can. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. I figured I would record myself using my shop vac, Ridgid 12-gallon, 5.0 horsepower to vacuum the kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more of these, consider hitting that like button, maybe subscribe. If you would like to show your support and help me out, I would appreciate it. Again, I apologize I did not go live yesterday. I was extremely tired. I ended up taking a very long nap throughout the whole night. So I guess it was worth it. But I do still plan to go live later on today, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Again, hit the like button if you want me to do more videos of this. I will do that. Again, I know it's not the best video. I apologize, but I'm sure you still enjoyed it nonetheless. So yeah, hit more likes if you want to see more of these. Again, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Have an awesome rest of your day, and yeah, I'll talk to you later.